doing?
I'm trying to get my wife and kids.
Okay, and you think that trying to kill somebody is the way to do that? Give me your driver's license. Give me your driver's license. I'm asking for your driver's license. I asked. He said he's going to the zoo.
Oh my God. Hey.
Hey, watch out. Don't let him kill somebody.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hey, man, get out of here. Go ahead. Go up.
Here, stop this guy.
Stop. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, no, hey! What are you doing?
125. We just had somebody about hit us multiple times out here. Start me another car. Yeah, we were out here. It's a white Jeep. It's in the lot. Shawnee Hills is behind it. We were out of it. He's not being compliant. Probably gonna have a taser use.
Get on the ground!
Okay.
Turn around!
Get
on your stomach now!
Okay,
Get on your stomach!
Like the movie, I swear.
Do not move! Get on the ground! Do not move! What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. You almost hit a trooper.
I'm sorry.
125. We have him in custody. I have a taser use. Start me a supervisor.
It's just about my wife and kids, who are me.
And give me a medic.
And it's just about her. And I love you guys, and I know you don't mean to hurt me. Okay? So I just need...
custody.
I just need for you guys to help me up.
Well, you're under arrest.
You were
You're going to
stand
jail.
down. You have anything on you?
No, nothing at all. Just in this.
Why did you not listen to us?
Because it wasn't about me, it was about my wife and kids.